Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am feeling to eat some fancy foods like restaurant style. And for me fancy food, I love fish. So yes, definitely I am going to prepare some dish with fish and I am going to use these ones. So you can understand what am I going to prepare. Definitely fish sizzling. So let me go ahead and prepare this fish sizzler dish. For this fish sizzler, the main ingredients which I am going to use is the sriracha powder. This is one of my very favorite powder. You can see the spice which I use on and off because of its flavor. So I am going to do with this one only today. Here I took basa fillet, tilapia fillet and prawns. First I'll marinate with half lemon juice, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon sriracha powder, half teaspoon garlic powder and mix everything together. After marination, keep it aside for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let me prepare the garlic rice. I took 2 tablespoons of butter. Once butter is melted enough, now I'll add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Fry for a minute, then add cooked white rice. Add salt as per your taste. Add black pepper powder and give it a good mix. This doesn't take long time as our rice is already cooked. After 2 to 3 minutes, add chopped spring onion and mix it and your garlic rice is ready. Now I'll prepare my Sizzler sauce. For this I'll take 2 tablespoons butter and I'll add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Once garlic is little bit fried, I'll add 2 tablespoons chopped onion. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes, then I'll add other ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons chili garlic sauce and 1.5 tablespoon soya sauce. Mix everything together. Fry for another 2 minutes in low heat. Time to add water. Here I'll add 1 cup of water. I'll add 1 cube vegetable stock. I'll add 1 teaspoon sugar and bring it to boil. To thicken the sizzling sauce, I'll add corn flour. So let the corn flour mixture gets ready. Here I took 1 teaspoon corn flour and I'll add half cup of water. Mix it nicely so there should not be any lump. Our sizzling sauce is almost done. Now time to add this corn flour mixture. After pouring this corn flour mixture, mix it immediately. Turn off the gas and the sauce is ready now. Time to prepare the veggies. I'm using colored bell pepper, baby corn, sugar snaps and onion. All these veggies will add crunchiness in this sizzler palette. And it looks very colorful as well. Fry your veggies with butter, salt to taste, black pepper. You can add some chili flakes and sriracha powder. Don't overcook. Just try to retain this crunchiness of the veggies. Now my veggies are ready. Time to prepare fish now. In the same pan, add some butter and I'll fry those fishes. Here I'll fry in medium to high heat as these fishes are very boneless and very soft fish. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes each side in medium to high heat. After 4 minutes, same way cooked other sides of the fishes in medium to high heat, another 3 to 4 minutes. Now everything is done. It's time to now arrange the sizzler plate. Once the sizzler plate is hot enough, put garlic rice, add in fishes and all the colored veggies which you fried and kept it aside. And very important part is add French fries or potato fries on the side. Everything arranged very nicely on the sizzling plate. Now I have to pour sizzling sauce on top of this veggies and fishes. So my sizzler is ready to eat now. So my fancy food, the fish sizzler, restaurant style fish sizzler is totally ready to enjoy. So that's all from me today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you all in my next video. By that time, take care. Bye bye. Amazing.